running?
No! It's not like that's not what you think of. Hey,
no! God, please, no! No!
Madam.
Okay, just wait for me at thinking corner.
Thinking corner, right? Yeah, we're there with Chidima.
No problem. Order anything.
We should order anything we want, right?
Order anything you want. There is money, okay?
Aww.
Hope you won't stay too long, though.
Order anything. I think now you carry me come Lagos. Yeah! Order anything.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Money is not the problem, man.
Wow.
Now wow.
Some people them too do.
I'm too do wow.
Now wow.
Now wow.
Some people them too do.
I'm too do wow. Too do wow.
Of this phone, sir. Rubbish. I'm gonna order. I invite you. You invite your friend.
Babe, I've been trying this number since. What? So it's not going through again. What? Which kind of problem is this one?
No wow.
Ha! Switch off. Babe.
Some people them too do.
Ma, please, want to shut down now, so my boss said she'll make transfer.
Your boss.
Yes. I'll go and pay.
Oh, okay. We're coming, okay? What do you mean? I don't know. Number is switched off. What are we going to do now? I don't know. I asked you. Are you sure? I asked you to like this now. Which kind of one like this? Which kind of one like this now? I'm coming. Let me use the toilet. Yeah? See, you're not going anywhere. I need to pee. Will you take the number? Take the number. Take. You're trying.
My belly don't they turn me.
070.
My belly don't they turn me.
425.
Hey, my hand is shaking.
See it there. Try, baby.
How much is the bill again?
This one, 75,000. Just how much? 34.
Jesus is Lord!
Baby, switched off. Oh, credit. Oh God.
I'm coming. Let me go and recharge my phone.
Wait. We were in this together. Order for more fish. What did you say? You said it's 450,000. Let me see you later. Wait.
I don't understand what people are saying.
Madam.
I'm not coming here, you know. Because everyone can here. Because I don't like that.
Madam, please.
My money.
Madam. No. Let me explain. Madam.
My money. Manager, please remove your hand.
Madam.
No. No. Manager, collect my money for me. They don't have any money to pay.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
No! It's not like that's not what you think of. Hey!
No! God, please, no!
Madam.
My money.
Mommy.
No. Mommy. My money. You ate everything. If you are a shop, I tire for this kind of a thing. I don't know for this bar. I tire for all these girls. So I gonna gagari like this. The shop for free.
It is what it is. It is what it is.